Welcome to the Engine Lab at KWiK Performance. What we have here is a big block with our Serpentine conversion setup on it. Now this is what we call the late setup, and because it's from 1996 to 98 on 5.7 trucks, but in the 4.3 V6 truck, this configuration here with the Sandon style AC compressor up top, alternator on this side, which is kind of the opposite from what our hot rodding friends like, but that's the way GM did it. It was actually available in the V6s all the way until 2013. So these brackets here are readily available in your salvage yard and elsewhere. Here's how we do it. We take a set of conversion plates and we put them on the front of your big block, and that allows you to bolt on the small block brackets. And that's going to give you a factory Serpentine system with parts that are readily available at your parts store, even used. You will switch to a late 454 reverse rotation, not reverse flow, water pump. All this is available on our website. It's an inexpensive way to get your Serpentine system. Get away from those V-belts, or if you're doing a 454 SS clone, this is exactly what it would have looked like. You can just take out of your truck, take these brackets, set them aside, stuff in the big block, bolt these on, you're ready to go. It's a great opportunity for you guys to save some money. Give us a look.